Today we're gonna make is bamboo charcoal soap, which is good for oily skin or acne skin as well. So a lot of, especially guys, they love it. First of all, make sure you get all your safety features ready. So first, we will add in the lye to the water and do it very slowly, because once both get contact together, the temperature will shoot up very fast. And do it step by step slowly. This way we will sort of control the temperature, and also for safety purpose as well. And the tips to cool down the lye mixture, that you can either put over a bowl of cold water or a bowl of ice. That's to speed up the process. And the second step is to start mixing all your base content, which is the oil. It's the palm oil. And the next one is the coconut oil. The last one, we have olive oil. Looks like the temperature is good to go, so now we take up the lye content, slowly pouring into your base oil. The reason why we are going it slowly, so that we don't get our base oil burned. Immediately you need to stir it up for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes trace condition. For the remaining part of the soaps, I'll add in a bit of my fresh lavender flowers, which is my all-time favorite. Finally, the texture is ready to go into the mold. So get everything ready, and then now the biggest parts go in first. In the second part, I'll put in my charcoal content. So this is where the benefit coming from, for the anti-acne benefits. So in the last bowl is to create the design later and the texture as well. Finally, we come to the fun part. If you can use any stick that you have in the kitchen. Here we use just a satay sticks. So just create the design that you like. In this case, I'm teaching you is the feather design. Once it's in the mold, you will have to keep it covered for 24 hours and unmold it and leave it in the air about 1 to 2 weeks, and you can cut it into pieces like what you've seen on the screen.